egg white, there are 3.8 grams of complete protein, 0.071 grams of fat, 0.14 grams of carbohydrates, and only 18 calories, of which nearly a third are burned during the diet-induced thermogenesis. Rely on egg white, protein complete in essential amino acids, the most perfect and fat-free. Welcome to Thermogenesis by Paris, the first beauty, health and well-being channel broadcasting British English and American English in French and in Farsi, or Persian if you will. Egg protein has always been the standard by which other forms of protein have been measured. With good reason, egg protein is considered the most perfect source of protein. This complete protein contains the 9 essential amino acids including tryptophan, isoleucine, histidine, leucine, valine, lysine, threonine, methionine, and phenylalanine. All these amino acids are termed essential because they cannot be synthesized by the body and must therefore be supplied by the diet. You see, amino acids are a kind of biological building blocks used by your body to renew your cells and tissues. A deficiency of essential amino acids weakens the cells and can dramatically accelerate the aging of the skin, the hair, and the nails. The great thing about egg white is that it is a pure protein, low in calories, virtually fat-free and sugar-free. In addition to maintaining muscle mass, keeping vital organs healthy and boosting energy, pure protein intake during a low-carb slimming diet, such as the ketogenic diet, encourages your body to tap into fat reserves in order to transform the excess body fat into energy for healthy weight loss. Indeed, this complete high biological value protein increases diet-induced thermogenesis. Diet-induced thermogenesis refers to the quantity of energy used for digesting, absorbing, and storing the food ingested into our body. During diet-induced thermogenesis, proteins burn many more calories than carbohydrates and fats. 32% for proteins, or nearly 1/3 of the calories, compared with 3% for glucides, carbohydrates or sugars, and 3% for lipids, fat or fats if you will. Let's move on to the vitamins in egg white. Riboflavin, or vitamin B2, helps to keep your skin, eyes, and nerves healthy. It is recommended to pregnant and breastfeeding women. Niacin, or vitamin B3, works by slowing the liver's production of the chemicals involved in the manufacture of bad LDL cholesterol. By doing so, niacin, or vitamin B3, can reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Vitamins B2 and B3 are water-soluble, meaning that they dissolve easily in water. That is fitting, since egg white consists of 88% water. Now, let us talk about minerals in egg white. Magnesium is effective against fatigue and stress. Indeed, magnesium is considered the anti-stress mineral and protects against irregular heartbeat, heart arrhythmia. It is a natural tranquilizer that relaxes skeletal muscles and blood vessels. By relieving cramps of the coronary arteries, magnesium helps stop muscle spasms. Potassium contributes to lowering arterial blood pressure, thus lessening the risk of heart disease and stroke. The potassium content of egg white is high, while sodium is present in low quantity, the perfect balance for normal blood pressure. Furthermore, sodium and potassium ions play an important role in the functioning of muscles and nerves. Should we be concerned about avidin that is found in raw egg white? Since this protein, avidin, strongly binds to biotin, vitamin B7, also called vitamin B8 and formerly called vitamin H, and inhibits its absorption? No, because the bond is released when avidin is denatured through heating. Heating renders avidin inactive, so that there is no longer any danger of biotin deficiency when we eat boiled or cooked egg whites. No one eats raw egg white. Rich in protein, fat-free and sugar-free, egg white is allowed at will during the Atkins diet and the classic Dukan diet method, both of which are ketogenic diets, otherwise known as keto diets. But what about the egg yolk? Find out everything about egg yolk in my next video in English in this format. Did you find this content engaging? Like and share. Answer at least one of the following questions. Where are you watching from? How many egg whites do you eat per day or per week? In the comment section below. The French version of this video will be posted within 72 hours and will be followed 3 days later by the Iranian version. Subscribe and turn on the notifications so as not to miss anything. In the meantime, I invite you to view the videos of the most famous French nutritionist, Dr. Pierre Dukan. I will add the link to the doctor's channel at the bottom of the description for the health and diet conscious indulgers. And don't forget, beauty and health go hand in hand.